Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see what is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, how to do it, how to progress with it, and what are its benefits and when to avoid. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing, or also called as Nadi Shodhana, is a practice wherein you're cleansing the energy channels which are called as nadis, through which the life force or the vital energy, which is a subtle energy, flows. When we do this practice, it's important to see that we keep our back straight. You can either sit on the mat or a chair, or even against a wall to keep your back supported. The key thing is to remember to keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel. Here in a right hand, I'll show you two mudras that you can do. That is Nasika mudra, wherein you close your index and middle finger and use your thumb to open and close your right nostril and your ring finger to open and close your left nostril. Now, if this is hard, you can simply extend the index and the middle finger and rest it at the space between your eyebrows, and then use your thumb to close and open the right nostril and your ring finger to open and close your left nostril. I'll show you 3 steps on how to do this practice. Step 1, we are going to focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our nose. Again, simply breathe in through your nose. This time push your belly forward. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Your air is going only to the lungs. But when you engage your abdomen, you are engaging your diaphragm, and that way you are expanding your lungs fully so that you can draw in maximum air possible. So you can place your hands on your belly. Inhale, belly comes forward. Exhale, pull that navel back. Now for step 2, adopt Nasika mudra. Either you can keep it straight open, resting, or fold your first 2 fingers. We're only going to focus on our left nostril breathing. So we're going to breathe in through the left nostril, breathe out through the left nostril. We're going to do 3 rounds of this. So at all times, your right nostril stays closed. Now completely breathe out through your left. Adopt chin mudra in your left hand. Eyes closed or a soft gaze. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your left. Now we'll count for 4 as we breathe in through our left. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale through your left. You're still pushing your belly forward as you breathe in, and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, pulling your navel back. Now close your left nostril. Now breathe in through your right nostril. 2, 3, 4. And as you pull your navel back, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale and exhale. Last time, breath in and exhale. Now for the 3rd step, we're going to breathe in through our left and not leave the air out through the left, but leave the air out through your right. Again, breathe in through your right and breathe out through your left. So this is 1 round. So let's try. Again, observe what's happening to your back. There's a tendency for us to kind of slouch down. So keep everything pulled up, chest expanded, in the sense open and not collapsed. Close your right nostril. Same counts. First, completely exhale through your left. Initially, it may be hard to coordinate the movement in your abdomen and your breath. It's completely okay. Just be aware of it. Now breathe in through your left. 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril. Open the right. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. Again, inhale through your left. Close. Breathe out through your right. Again, breathe in through your right. Close and breathe out through your left. Remember that you're not pressing into your nose, just closing the end of your nostrils. Breathe in through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And out through your left. Now, some people like to keep their hands like this. So, if you're doing the practice for long, your hands may tire initially. So, it's completely up to you. As long as you're not collapsing your chest, it's fine to keep it even your elbows to the side. So, I'll show you 4 ways how you can progress with the practice. This practice is always done in a ratio. The breath we take in to the breath we leave. So it's always 1:2. Suppose you breathe in for 1 count, you breathe out for 2. So you breathe in for 2 counts, you breathe out for 4, you breathe in for 3, you breathe out for 6. That is the whole pattern of breath. So we'll do 1 round of it together. Close your right nostril, completely breathe out through your left. Now breathe in for 2 counts. 1, 2. Close your left nostril, breathe out through the right for 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in again for 2 counts. 1, 2. Close the right nostril. Completely breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this, you can keep increasing the counts that you breathe in and out. So this was 1 round. The next way to progress is by holding the breath in. Antara Kumbhaka. So I'll show you how to do that. Now close your right nostril. Again, we're going to continue with the 2:4. Breathe in for 2. 1, 2. Hold your breath in. Pause there for 1 and 2. Close. Completely breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathe in for 2. 1, 2. Close your nostril. Hold your breath. 1, 2. And completely breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, here you can increase the amount of counts you hold the pause for. The third way that you can progress is by Bahira Kumbhaka. I'll show you how that is done. So, once we exhale, we pause for 2 counts. Completely breathe out through your left. We'll try this again. Inhale. 1, 2. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 1, 2. Breathe in. 1, 2. Again, close. Completely breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. And this is your third way. Now the fourth way is you can do the pause when you take the breath in as well as when you breathe out. So again, inhale. 1, 2. Pause. 1, 2. Completely breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Breathe in. 1, 2. Pause. Completely breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. So this way we are increasing the length of one cycle of our breath. Any benefits to practicing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama? The best way for you to understand the benefits is by doing this practice regularly. I'm going to give a detailed write-up on what are its benefits in the description, but I'll list a few of them here, the key ones. One is it clears the nadis, that is the energy channels in our body, and allow the free flow of vital energy. So it helps us stay balanced. It improves our state of mind, brings about a lot of calmness. The third thing is helps in focus and concentration. And the fourth one is it clears the nasal passages. It's very important that you do this practice on an empty stomach. You can do it anytime, in the morning, before your breakfast, before your lunch, before your dinner. So anytime you are on an empty stomach, you can do this practice. Now coming to who should not be doing this practice. Now in case you have a high blood pressure or any heart disease, you should avoid doing the pause. Thank you so much for being here. I would love to hear your feedback, questions, queries, or any requests on a tutorial on any other thing related to yoga. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If this was helpful to you, valuable to you, please like, share it with your family and friends. Your support means the world to me. Namaste.